Having the premier accounting firm is very, very simple. Regardless of whether you are a solo entrepreneur as you run your own firm and have your clients, happen to be a firm where you have staff and you're working to actually expand your services and offer more to your clients as you build your client base, or if you're in a situation where as a partnership you're trying to expand into different locations, offer new offices, the same is true for all three. There are essentially five things that as the owner of the firm you need to be addressing so that you can literally be the leader you need to be and grow the firm you're trying to have. And what I mean by that is there are five things that we focus on with our clients. And the first and foremost is what we refer to as engage and manifest. And it's where we work with our clients, the business owners, yourself, in order to help you have the premier accounting firm to identify exactly what it is you're trying to do and become clear as to your intentions, the goals you have for the coming year. The second thing that we focus on is understanding accounting, and it's different than what you may presume. Obviously, we accept the fact that you are the accounting professional, but what we're trying to identify is essentially what is it you need to be doing in your firm as to the services you want to offer so that you can actually go out and get the clients that you want, your ideal clients. But at the same time, it's what are those key numbers that you need to be watching within your firm to know whether or not you're building the practice you intended to have. The third thing happens to be then focusing on increasing revenue. It's all the marketing and sales activities that you're involved in to ensure that you're going out and acquiring the clients that you want. The next happens to be focusing on improving profit, and it's recognizing that you're working so hard, doing so much to build your firm that you want to make sure that you're getting paid what you're worth and ultimately building the practice that you intended to have so that you can actually get paid what you wanted to have initially. So what we're focusing here on is obviously the bottom line. We want to make sure that you're building a business that you can be proud of. And then the fifth is building value. It's accepting the fact that you're building more than just a client list. You're ultimately building a business that is an asset and has value. And like you would say to your own clients, what they're doing with their companies is exactly what you need to be doing to make sure you have the business you always wanted. And if you do this correctly, you can actually have a business you can be proud of and ultimately move from having a job where you're involved with the day-to-day operations with the business to that of being actually an owner. And as an owner, act accordingly and be the one that has the direction, the vision that the firm needs in order to grow. What we're trying to do here is literally give you the tools, the resources, the support, and coaching you need to ultimately have the premier accounting service. So with that, look at the rest of the information and see what we can do to actually help you have the firm you've always desired to have. Take care.